Good morning guys, it's Trader Kram here and we're watching the price movement today before the CPI, and I hope you guys doing good. By the way, I don't advise that you trade the CPI or put limit orders before the CPI event if you have like tight stop loss, because it can literally run 100 pips in a few seconds. And by the way, we have a very choppy and mixed signals, and that's one of the signatures of CPI event and high impact news. So I really don't trade this much on CPI except if I have a predetermined 100% or high probability setup or bias. But yeah, let's see how it will give us trade, or it will give us better entries after the CPI event, which is 10 minutes from now. And we're looking at now the dollar index, still consolidating in the early time frame, and we have this big gap right here in the daily. This is a fair value gap, and I think it's really going to be bearish, but let's see. So we have a fair value gap lower, and we also have a fair value gap higher. So it's literally trading in the middle, and we don't want to get caught in the middle, of course. Will it take the buy side or sell side? So we're just waiting for the news today, but yeah, let me check the NAS100. Oh, sorry. So it's going probably to take this high. The AAPL or Apple stock have a higher pre-market open. So I'm looking at the monthly time frame, and this is where I mainly base my price points, especially in the trade entries. So I layer it with some other stuff, other PDRAs. Okay, so 3 minutes before the news, and you can see we have a run higher on gold, and I really think this is a target for gold. And then if you go to the 4-hour time frame, this is highly likely gonna hit 2042, then eventually trading higher to this midpoint, which is 2053, and then trade lower again for us to enter our buys around this area, 235 to, no, might be like that, but let's see. Don't trade gold much. It's really looking good now. Yeah, it's really looking good right now. I think it's going to trade higher. I genuinely think it's going to trade higher. That's why we have the buy order for our signals. But yeah, don't trade like high leverage. This is really might gonna wreck you. So we want to take a trade after the news, and let's check the Eurusd first on the 1 minute time frame. No, 15 minutes rather. So 1 minute before the news event. Oops. Yeah, we have the buy limit order around 288, 1.27, 288, but yeah, I think it's now gonna be cancelled. So let's see. And that's why you don't trade CPI. Look at that movement right there. That's 1 minute higher, and then bam, just triggered our entry. I thought so, yeah. And also with the GBP USD, but I think it's going to trade even lower. But let's see. This is the the initial delivery might be the fake move. So right now I'm seeing a sell side delivery. So where was I? On the daily, yeah, I think it's going to take this one for DXY. Apple has a higher pre-market open that might also trigger this sell, and then Airbnb lower. So let's see. This is interesting. Oops. Yes, I think I'm going to buy this one. Okay, so I think I'm going to buy this one because it took the fair value gap here. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this one. So what I believe that it's going to take if you go to the 1 hour time frame, so it took out this fair value gap, and essentially it's now going to deliver to the buy side, since it's respecting this bullish order block right here. Okay, so we have let's see. So if ever the price will close inside this box, let me just clear this up. So we have here the fair value gap, and then if ever price will start to close inside, then that's bearish for me. But right now I'm confident it's, should always have a stop loss, because yeah, it's like a 80% chance it's going to take the high, since it delivered the sell side first. Okay, sorry guys, I did not realize that my desktop was, the sound was off. I was speaking. But yeah, I think it's not gonna pan out the buy side since it's now digging into this fair value gap. So it might trigger this stop loss. I'm gonna close the trade now, but yeah, let's wait for the 7 minutes. But I think it's going to take it, so yeah, I think I'm just going to take this off. This is the sell side, so it might take the sell side now, then later on, if it will continue lower, which I believe not, it's not, unless it's really going to trade inside this box. I think it's going to take the sell side. So this is a low hanging fruit objective for Euro USD. If ever it's going to close inside this box, then it might trigger a sell, but not instantly, later on. So yeah, I think I'm going to cancel this trade now. And then GU is still fighting this one. So we might have a first first side of delivery. GU still fighting. Oh man, I'm going to sell Euro USD later on. Okay, let's wait for the close before we decide, because this can get, you know, like this is 1, this is buy side, then 2, the sell side, and then after this one, if everything is clear, it might take the buy side again on eventually trading to these fair value gaps. So that's what I think it's really going to do. Now it traded and closed inside, so now it's now a balanced price range, I believe. And yeah, if ever it will close inside this box, then might trade again buy. Depends. So yeah, that's basically it guys. So better avoid trading NFT, CPI and FOMC. And final thoughts for this one, I think it's still bullish. So yeah, but I'm not going to trade it since we have lost a trade, and now I'm just holding on to this GBP USD for you know, it's going to be invalidated if ever it trade below this bullish order block. So that's it guys. I hope you're having a good day and trade safely. Have a nice day.